Hi guys, Timothy Baker here. As you guys know, I have cyclic vomiting syndrome and I've been dealing with it for about 2 years now. And my gastroenterologist, he argues with me about using like CBD oils and stuff like that to help combat the digestive systems related to CBD or related to cyclic vomiting syndrome. My gastroenterologist literally will tell me that there is no conclusive evidence anywhere at all that says anything that there's any medicinal benefit that has CBD related to digestive disorders. And I tell him that you're basing all of your information off of the information you used when you were in school in the 70s and the 80s, and that's antiquated information. If you're not continuing your education, then you're basing all of your diagnoses off of antiquated information, and that's completely asinine. That's pandemonium. That's ludicrous. Why would you do that? He's not cured me. He's not helped me at all. He just keeps prescribing different pills, and I just don't feel like he really even freaking cares. But I actually know a doctor. He actually used to train me in wrestling. He was third runner-up for the Olympics in the 70s. And he actually worked with me a lot when I was wrestling in high school. And he's a doctor. Well, I told my my doctor friend this, who used to train me, because he didn't know that I was going through this. And he was actually really pissed off that for 2 years I've been going through this and he had no idea. So I actually went to him. He said, "Come to my office right now. I want to see you. Come get here as soon as you can." But I was actually throwing up on the day that I was supposed to go. So I told him, I said, "Hey doc, I can't come. I'm throwing up right now. Is there any way that I can come tomorrow or the next day?" Anyways, I got there. And we're talking, and he confirmed everything that I said about my gastroenterologist, how he's using antiquated information, how the CBD stuff is the stuff that's going to help me. Now, Doc is going to be treating me, okay? He also gave me a lot of stuff to help with the side effects. Now, since I have cyclic vomiting syndrome, if you guys have cyclic vomiting syndrome or Crohn's disease or ulcerative colitis or irritable bowel syndrome, you guys have probably been prescribed Protonix or promethazine or Zofran or ondansetron or things to that nature to help alleviate bloating, indigestion, nauseating, and vomiting. What I didn't know is that the pills that have been prescribed to me can create memory loss, dementia. I can literally be in the middle of a conversation and forget what I'm talking about. I can walk into the kitchen and forget what I'm walking into the kitchen for. And my doctor friend told me that that's a side effect from those pills that he's been prescribing me. So my doctor friend gave me some different pills to start taking to help combat all those negative side effects. So he gave me some stuff to combat those side effects, and I'm going to show you them. There we go. All right. So I already opened all of them, so you guys didn't have to see me open them. Let's get that out of there. All right, so there's all the stuff. I just opened all of these things so you guys could see them. All right, so he gave me probiotics, all right, to take twice a day. Indigestion, nausea, relief, take 2 of these a day. Memory complex, take 1 of these 2 times a day. All right, help with my memory. Stress, as you guys know, if you have cyclic vomiting syndrome, stress stimulates the symptoms of CVS. So I take 2 of these every morning. A men's multivitamin, all right, and full spectrum hemp CBD oil from Zealous, okay? Now, he gave me all of these. He gave me these to take. and I'm going to be doing those. So I'm going to be documenting how I feel and stuff being on these pills. That's not the only thing he's going to be doing for my cyclic vomiting syndrome, though. I'm going to be once a week going to his office, and he's going to be giving me an infusion intravenously with pure vitamins and nutrients, like minerals and vitamins, vitamin B, magnesium, stuff like that. I'm not sure on everything that he's doing, but he told me, I just heard the confidence in his voice when he was saying, in 1 month, you're not going to be throwing up anymore. You're going to be cured. You're going to be healthy. I cured a guy that had Crohn's disease in 1 month doing this thing. And, you know, I didn't want to get my hopes up and everything because I've been dealing with this for so long. But after I left, I was just sitting in the car, and I just felt like a weight has just been lifted off of my shoulders because I've been dealing with this for so long. And I just heard how confident he was in his prognosis and what he's going to be doing, and it just the reassuring in his voice. I hope it works, guys, and I'm going to be documenting it, and I'm going to be posting these videos to let you guys know how these intravenous fluids work, along with my cyclic vomiting syndrome, along with using these pills that he has prescribed me. Now, he has also told me to stay away from meat as much as I can because it's hard to digest. I'm doing a lot of fruit and vegetable smoothies. Now, he said that's really good, but he said try to start juicing also. Now, he said the reason that I would recommend juicing as opposed to making a smoothie is because juicing gets rid of the pulp, which makes it easier for you to digest. Now, yeah, I do liquefy it in the blender and make it all liquidy, and it should still be easy to digest, but there's still pulp in there, makes it harder for your stomach to digest. So he recommended juicing, so it's just pure concentrated liquid and nothing else. I will put every single one of these, all of these pills, I will put all of these in a link in the description for you guys, okay? Because if this stuff works for me and it cures my cyclic vomiting syndrome and I can stop throwing up, then I'm going to put a link in the description because you guys are going to want to stop throwing up too. If it can get me to stop throwing up, then I'm going to freaking pay $1,000 to put this video everywhere so people with cyclic vomiting syndrome can see it and they can start feeling better, because this is crazy. People with this disease, the doctors don't know how to treat it. Disability, people that have this disease apply for disability, and then the disability reviewers don't even know what it is. And so I want people to see this video and get better. I want them to feel better, and I want them to live a normal life, because I have not lived a normal life in 2 freaking years. My life has been stagnated for 2 years, and I hate that feeling. I absolutely hate that feeling. So I will put a link in the description for all of these pills, and it'll probably be like linking it to Amazon or something like that, but I will try to get it so you guys can just click on a link and get these pills, because if it helps me, then it will help you, and I don't want to see anybody go through the stuff that I go through. So if I can help you guys just by giving you some information, then I'm absolutely going to do that, and let me know how it helps you guys. If you guys do try this stuff and it helps, let me know. Put a comment in the comment section below. Like my stuff. I have a Facebook page too. Send me a message on Facebook. Let me know, hey Tim, this stuff helped me so much. Thank you so much for putting that video, because you know these doctors keep prescribing these medications and it hasn't worked, but your natural way has helped me so much more than their medicinal way. So just let me know, guys. If you guys like my video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Like my video, share it. If you know people that have cyclic vomiting syndrome, share it to their page so they can see it too. I'll talk to you guys later. I hope you enjoyed the video, and have a great day.